To RSPSA training for field data assistants,
JU referencers, and municipal coordinators. I am Ivy Joy Del Pilar, Regional Project Management Office staff, and
I am Diana Joy Mendoza, RSPSA validator for Davao City and Davao Occidental.
uy, bulag ang lunch. Importante siya sa kanya na programa. Basta rehistrado ka! Atong FDA is under na siya sa digitalization agriculture, digital agriculture program sa Department of Agriculture. Ida ang miaging unong tagbulan sa imong trabaho unsa ang movie title.
Noon nga title or ang trabaho in the past 6 months. Balik-balik siguro. Sa yung pangalan, sa yung edad.
NNK or maalaala mo kaya na sa RSPSA, pero thankful kayo ko katong na mga experiences mo ay nagdala sa ako kung sa ko karon.
Kung maabot sila kung dili pinagi sa ato ang pagpalikamon po sa Kisik RSPSA. So dili lang siya kay include lang, kani siya kay interview lang. Kung dili agi ko siya tumong tinguha para sa kaiwan sa ato mga
show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. I can lift you up. I can show you what you wanna see and take you where.
Again, Jolly, our regional vocal for RSPSA, Ms. Jolly Guzmina, and your team. Thank you for spearheading this annual activity. You know, this is really, really important because from time to time there are updates pertaining to our laws, regulations, policies, and all of you should be updated, no, for whatever changes or whatever new guidelines pertaining also to your respective duties and responsibilities. So again, sa inyong tanan, madayaw, ug maayong buntag. It is my pleasure to join you today on the RSPSA training for field data assistants, geo-referencers, and municipal coordinators. This training is an important opportunity to strengthen our capacity to ensure that the data we collect is accurate, complete, timely, and secure. The RSPSA is more than a database. Behind every record is a farmer, fisher folk, farm workers, or agri-youth who depends on government programs and services. So kailangan, what are the best practices? Di tabaulaw, mauni ang pwede na ito na dili ta maka-violate ng mga pinata. Kung sa eskwelahan, during examinations, kung mangopya ta, failure na ta automatic o pwede lang asukan. No? Pero kung mangopya ta o mga best practices, wala yung violation. Again, for government application or implementation of our plan and program, kung asa itong ayo, dapat makutuwa itong sunod. It's better because, again, that would complement na makatabang sa atong programa. Si Jolly, thank you very much, and again, thank you everyone.
Nice to see a big group na mga ka-age na ako. So I really appreciated your generation, our generation, for being so active, for being so supportive po when it comes to agricultural development. Really lang yung generations, the more generation will help us
concern. So in short, the right to privacy is your right to be left alone, are secured and protected. So that's why, di ba, as mentioned kaganiha, si RSBSA is like the counterpart of your BSA.
kasagadan palimanong sa mga ginlaasan kultura tao iyan naawon kultura tao iyan huno na unihipudong sa mga mata lumahekag sa buwa palimanon sa magbabaya hatagkan yuta
Assalamualaikum, Madayaw, Happy Kadayawan. With, sabay ko niyo ha, with great power comes great respect, the generosity and the support. Only then, we can say nga, ang Pilipinas, nga linaingon nila, malisod yung maon, makaingon niya ako sa Pilipinas kung mahal. Mayong hapon and may God bless.
dayon sa pagtabang kaninyo. Ang gigahin nga kugi ug sakripisyo, bahandi nga ibalik kanimo. Sa pagrehistro kita matabangan, sa benepisyo ug programa nga atong sandigan. Alang sa pamilya gipangandoy kalampusan, kaan nga dughan makaput sa tanan. Kinasing-kasing nga serbisyo, makaput ang kadaugan sa imong dughan. RSBSA, wow! Hey! RSBSA, wow! Hey! RSBSA,